So I'm currently inside a 2021 Mini John Cooper Works GP, and I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your key fob should it go out. So first off, grab your key fob and flip it to the side that says Mini. First, what you're going to do is locate this silver button on the side. You're going to press it, and that's going to release this manual key, which currently has a little keychain attachment on it. So put this to the side. You won't need it for this, but keep it handy once you put everything back together. Now you're going to need something like a flathead screwdriver. Some might be too thick, but you're going to basically need something to slide in the slot closest to the M in the Mini emblem. I have like an all-purpose tool, and it has this nice little thin flat piece. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide it in here, and you're going to pop basically. There's like 4 sections that kind of just need to pop up. So slide your flathead, whatever you can find, slide it in this spot and kind of pop upwards. So I have it inside, and I'm gonna pop. You're gonna hear some pops. Don't worry, you're not breaking the keychain. Once you get it to a certain spot, you should be able to just reach your finger inside and kind of pull the rest open. So then you'll have 2 pieces. You'll have the piece that says Mini on it, and then you'll have the main key fob. So set the piece that says Mini to the side. Now use your flathead, whatever you use to get that open, to put it in this point right here. And this is just like a little latch that has the battery behind it. So basically just pop upwards and it's going to release. So that's the little piece, and that reveals the battery. So the battery, put it in the focus, is a Panasonic CR2032 battery, and like you've been using your trusty flathead this whole time, you can put it right underneath of the battery right here and pop it out. And when you replace the battery, I always like to remind viewers to not touch the bottom of the battery, because that can limit the effectiveness of the lifespan of the battery when you reinstall the battery. But this is a brand new key fob with a brand new battery, and it does not need to be replaced. So pretend you're putting your battery back in, and just do the reverse steps of what you just did. You're going to slide where you see the little tab on this little piece. Let me put it in focus. There's a little tab. You're basically going to put that where the key, manual key, would have been sitting. So you're going to slide it kind of into the top. And just kind of push down lightly. What happens is the manual key fob kind of slides in here and slides down this track and kind of holds it all together, so you don't have to really worry about that. But grab your piece that says Mini and clamshell it back together. It's really easy. You should hear some audible clicks, and then you're gonna slide your manual key back in. So remember to actually push down on the little silver button, otherwise it will not go in. As you can see, it's kind of hitting a wall. Push down on it and it'll slide all the way in, and then you are done. There is no reason to have to recode the key to the car. You're just switching out the battery, and it will remember that it is your key. But I hope this video helped you replace the battery in your Mini key fob. Thanks for watching.